So, hello everyone. Hi guys. Itong klaseng gear, palagi kong makikita dito sa wall ko eh. Ano kayang mayroon tong klaseng relo na to? Money back guarantee. So, $89.99. Ay, marami nagko-comment. Maganda daw itong klase na relo eh. Yan o. Talo pa daw yung Apple Watch. Tingnan nyo. Yan o. Yan ang design niya. Yan yung mga display niya. Maraming display oh. Yan, napakagandang design oh. Tapos yung review niya is maganda. Maraming bumibili. Subukan ka natin bumili nito. Ito.
As a blue-collar worker, this is the only watch you'll catch me wearing at work, the Indestructible Smartwatch. This Indestructible Smartwatch is 100% waterproof, bang-proof, spill-proof, smash-proof, and dust-proof, meaning you could be stuck into a hard day's work on site or in the workshop, and your watch will still work like the day you bought it. You can take calls, check notifications and messages, monitor your heart rate and blood pressure, even play music from this thing. This smartwatch has been built with hard work in mind. If you're a blue-collar worker, be sure to check out the Indestructible Smartwatch for the ultimate work companion.
Yung review niya. Okay, yes na. Marami kang pagpipilian na ano na anong gusto mo dito. Yan. Gusto mo ito, gusto mo yan. Pipili ka lang. Palagi sana to eh, dito sa Facebook. Order mo na $89.99. Okay, subukan ka natin dito sa select ng cart nito, shop now. So ilagay mo sa cart, mag-select ka, okay, buy now. Tapos may anti-glare, may included bracelet, included charging cable. So included na yung watch, 4 na anti-glare, tapos magnetic release safety strap, tapos included na yung Greek camo strap, tapos 2-key charging cable. Okay, order, check out. Wow, autofill. Okay. So, ito na po yung order natin guys sa online. Dumating na after 2 weeks. So, i-unbox na natin to. Tingnan natin kung anong kagandahan dito sa smartwatch na to. Bubuksan natin. Bubuksan natin. Terere, yan na. Bukas na. Dahan-dahanin. Oh. Oh, talaga. Wow. Yan. Ito, ang gaan. Parang laruan. O, power on nga natin. Wow. Sana yun, ha? Ano? Tapos, puntahan natin yung ano niya. Tingnan natin, palitan natin ng yung what face daw. So tingnan mo itong may mga bagong design din sila, oh. Ito, oh. Yan. So puntahan natin yung itong apps niya. So kung download mo yung apps niya, itong lumalabas. Oh, may heart rate, may BP, may blood oxygen, may stress pa. So may period, oh. Para sa babae siguro itong period. So lalagyan mo ng timbang kung ilang kilos ka. So may intake reminder. So subukan natin palitan ng watch face. Ito kaya ayan talaga, oh. Itong isa, oh, yan talaga lumalabas. Yan. Oh, ganda. Yan ang kagandahan ng watch na to, guys. Maraming nagko-comment na maganda daw. So kaya sinubukan natin bilhin. So ito na ngayon. Okay, enjoy. Thanks for watching.